So this video is about thousandths of an inch. It's very normal, very regular nomenclature used in machine shops and in engineering in general. Whenever you're manufacturing something, it's very common to use the thousandth of an inch measurement. And what does this mean? So 1,000 of an inch would be 0.001. Just straight up front with you guys. This is what 1,000 of an inch means. So, but what does that really mean? It's just easier whenever you're manufacturing something, instead of saying, oh, it's 0.001 of an inch, you just say, oh, it's 1,000 of an inch. So we already know that's 0.001, and then the accuracy of your measurement tool is gonna probably have 1,000 of an inch or 1/10 of a thousand of an inch. So this will help a little bit to speed up the production. The way I remember this, for example, for 1,000 of an inch, if we just do the fraction, I always try to remember the fraction. If we do 1,000 of an inch, what is this? This is equal to 0.001. So if you're not really sure what 1,000 of an inch means, 10,000ths of an inch mean, just think about the fraction. What is 10,000ths of an inch? Just do the fraction again. 10 thousandths. So you cut 0 with 0. You have 1 over 100, and that's going to be 0.01 of an inch. That's 10,000ths of an inch right here. What is 100,000 of an inch? Again, think of the fraction. 100 over 1,000, 100,000, 1 over 10, 0.1 of an inch, 100,000 of an inch. There is also 1/10 of this, so that would be this divided by 10. So if we do 1,000 of an inch divided by 10, that would be 1 divided by 1,000 times 10. And that's going to be exactly 1/10 of a thousand of an inch, 0.0001. That's what it means. There is also the fifth decimal, not very used, but it depends, of course, it depends on the work that you're doing. So if you're doing something that needs to be extremely accurate, you're going to have the fifth one. That would be 1/10 of a thousand of an inch, following this logic. Now, if you don't follow the fraction logic, it would be 1/1,000,000th of an inch. And that's basically what it means. Okay? Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Ask questions, subscribe, and see you next time.